Hi, now I'm going to tell about the C++ program by introducing a class. Here, class. This is the program to find out the simple interest and compound interest and whether bank is benefited by simple interest or compound interest. Now we write here header files hash include IO stream means input output stream. Hash include math.h. Why we use math.h I will explain later. And using namespace std is used to overcome the name conflict. Next, class interest. Here we declare a class and the name of the class here is interest. And next, data types. We use data type float rate because here rate of the interest can be in decimal points also. So int p and n. P is here nothing but principal amount and n is a number of years. Here another access specifier public is used. And void get inputs. It is the method. Void get inputs is the method to give the values to the p, n and n rate. And cout. Here enter cout. It is the output function. Enter the principal amount, number of years and rate of the interest. Which the sentence this will come at the output. Cin reading these values. And next here declaration of method to find simple interest. Float. Simple interest may be in decimals. So we use the float data type. The formula for simple interest is principal amount into number of years into rate of interest divided by 100. So we use the formula p into n into rate whole by 100 and return SI. And next the calculation of simple interest is completed here. And next for calculating the compound interest we use the double calculate compound interest and double CI compound interest. Here the formula for CI is CI equal to P into power of 1 plus rate by 12 and here the power is raised to this n number of times. That's the word power means. Here the word power means the power raised to this. So to declare the power we use math.h here. So the math.h is used to call the power which is in the library function. And next return compound interest. So to terminate the calculating of the compound interest we use the return. And next coming to the main function, from here the execution starts actually because the C++ program is bottom up approach. So the int main is used and interest I. Here I is nothing but the class which we declare here. So the float si means the value which we declare here. Double ci. I dot get inputs means this I dot get inputs calls the function which we return here void get inputs. This is nothing but the method to give the values to the principal amount, number of years and rate of interest. Similarly, we write for simple interest and compound interest. By calculating these, the cout output statement is the simple interest which will read the value is SI here and end line. Similarly for the compound interest, for the benefit of the bank or not is declared by the statement cout statement. If by using if else statement we can tell that is benefited by bank or not. If simple interest is less than the compound interest, cout the bank is benefited by simple interest, else the bank is benefited by compound interest. Return 0. Thank you friends. Hope you understand how to write a program to calculate simple interest and compound interest, whether the bank is benefited by simple interest or compound interest. Thank you.